So innovation's an interesting thing. One person's perspective of innovation may be different than another's because it's relative to where they are. And that's certainly true in technology and in the enterprise. So for example, what we see in this market today is there's really a couple of different groups, right? There's one who's always riding the edge of technology. And for those folks, they've probably started working with microservices in the last few years, right? And so they're really looking to maximize what microservices can do in conjunction with APIs. Right? But then when you look at the overall market for APIs and how API or technology adoption basically occurs over a longer period of time, right? There are slower moving folks basically that are just getting to APIs, right? And maybe they were into service-oriented architecture, maybe they weren't. Either way, they recognize what they need to do because their competitors have become much more agile and are using APIs. They see the disruptive threats in their industry coming, perhaps. And so they know they need to get to APIs, but they're not quite sure of how to get there, right? And certainly, in either case, right, what they pursue with APIs straight from perhaps SOA or using microservices and APIs together are going to provide a great step forward in terms of innovation. Right? And in general, that innovation is all about addressing business needs. Right? It could be around competitiveness. Generally, we see a lot of it around improving customer experience, right? Because customer experience tends to be the one vector that disruption happens on, right? As well as overall efficiency and ability to change and adapt to business climates.